Municipal architecture, like this giant bank of steps, is really interesting to shoot. It's big, it's brutal, it's bright, and you can do all kinds of interesting compositional things with leading lines if you look carefully enough. Continuous mode isn't just about action and sports. Here I'm looking to get a frame of one of these waves as they roll along these steps. But rather than rely on my sense of timing, we're going to use continuous mode to shoot up to 30 frames in really quick succession so that we can pick the perfect moment later. What we're going to do is once we find a composition that we like, is we're going to hit the shutter button, hold it down, and the camera is going to shoot a burst of up to 30 frames in really quick succession, letting us get on with choosing the best one later rather than relying on timing in the moment. For this frame, we're going to use leading lines and contrast to create an interesting dissected composition. We have these two diagonals here leading forwards through the frame and converging on a single point. We also have this very bright reflective step on the left-hand side and this much darker step on the right-hand side, creating this line straight through the middle of the frame. By angling our camera down, we have our foreground very close to the camera, which creates shallow depth of field, so sharpness falls off really nicely towards the back of the frame.